So the iPhone 17 Air is poised to launch this year as a successor to the lackluster iPhone 16 Plus, which struggled to gain traction among consumers. In response to its poor performance, Apple is shifting gears with a fresh strategy. The critical question remains, can the iPhone 17 Air succeed where its predecessor failed? With its focus on achieving unprecedented thinness, Apple appears determined to make a bold statement in smartphone design. Renowned Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo reports that the iPhone 17 Air will be an impressive 5.5mm thick at its slimmest point. While it won't quite reach the 5.1mm thickness of the 13-inch iPad Pro, the Air's profile is remarkably close, especially given the smaller dimensions of a smartphone. If these rumors hold true, the iPhone 17 Air will be among the thinnest smartphones ever produced. Previous leaks suggested a thickness of around 6.25mm, still slender but less groundbreaking. Additionally, earlier speculation placed the device's thickness between 5mm and 6mm, aligning closely with Kuo's latest insights. However, achieving such an ultra-thin design is not without compromises. One major change could be the removal of the physical SIM card slot, leaving the device reliant on eSIM technology. The streamlined design may also impact the device's hardware capabilities. According to Kuo, the iPhone 17 Air could feature only a single rear camera, echoing the more budget-friendly iPhone SE. This departure from Apple's usual dual or triple camera configurations on higher-end models underscores the trade-offs involved in prioritizing thinness. Despite these potential limitations, the iPhone 17 Air is expected to command a premium price, emphasizing its innovative design and exclusivity. Apple's pursuit of extreme thinness with the iPhone 17 Air reflects its legacy of pushing design and engineering boundaries. However, its success will hinge on consumer willingness to accept these trade-offs. Following the underwhelming performance of the iPhone 16 Plus, Apple faces high stakes with the iPhone 17 Air. This ultra-slim device has the potential to redefine expectations and rejuvenate excitement in Apple's lineup, but only if it can strike the right balance between form and function. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming iPhone 17 Air? Share your opinions in the comments section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next video.